Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you all today?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Yes, I'm also fine, thank you. All of you, please turn on your camera.
Ma'am, I cannot rename my device. What happened? I don't know.
Okay. And what about your camera? Please turn on the camera. Shifta,
And
Naila.
my camera is on.
But I can't see. Dairos, Laisel.
Ma'am, my video is on.
Yes. Yes, Devananda. Okay, so let's start our today's revision for the exam. Today EVS2, we need to study only one chapter for the exam, isn't it? Which is that chapter? Chapter 7? Plateaus and Highlands of India. Plateaus and Highlands of India. And I know that Vrinda ma'am teach you that each and every point very thoroughly.
Yes.
Isn't it? Yes. So you all know what are the main points in this chapter. So in this chapter, we studied about plateaus, right? Isn't it? So which is the largest region? Largest region of India?
Peninsular Plateau.
Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau is the largest region. And what is the shape of this peninsular plateau? Triangular in shape. Let me share the screen also. Then you can understand easily. Yes. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So here you can see the peninsular plateau, isn't it? Peninsular plateau you can see now?
Yes.
Which color?
Yellow.
Yellow. And you can see the shape also.
Yes, triangle.
Yes,
Like
it looks like a triangular shape. Okay, triangular shape. Also, the largest region, which is the largest region of India, that is
Peninsular
plateau. And what is the shape of this peninsular plateau?
Triangular.
It is triangular in shape. Okay. And one more thing is there. This peninsular plateau, we can see that it is dividing into two parts.
Central
Yes?
Highland and Deccan Plateau.
Yes, Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. So in between these two, we can see one river.
Narmada
Narmada River is there. So the Narmada River flows through this peninsular plateau and it divides the region into two parts. Okay? The Narmada River flows through the peninsular plateau and divides this peninsular plateau into two parts. That is Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Understand, everyone?
Yes.
So which is the river flows through the peninsular plateau? Narmada River, yes. And which are the two parts in the peninsular plateau? Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau. Okay. And this Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau, there also we can see some rivers are there.
Yes.
Yes. Let me take it. Yes.
Ma'am, which page?
No need to take the book. You please listen here. We are studying once again. We are revising. Now no need to do anything. You please listen here. So the rivers of Central Highlands are? Yes, the rivers of Central Highlands are Chambal, Betwa, and Sun. And what about the Deccan Plateau? Which other rivers flows through the Deccan Plateau? Narmada, Godavari, and Kaveri. These are the rivers flows through this Deccan Plateau and Central Highlands. So, which other rivers flows through Central Highlands? Chambal, Betwa, and Sun. And this Narmada, Godavari, and Kaveri, where it is flowing through which plateau? Deccan Plateau. Through these Narmada, Godavari, and Kaveri flows through this Deccan Plateau. Okay, that also we all understand.
Yes.
So, Devananda, please tell me which other rivers flows through Central Highlands.
Chambal, Betwa, Sun.
Yes. Then, Benthan, please tell me which other rivers flows through Deccan Plateau. Benthan,
Yes, ma'am.
which other rivers flows through Deccan Plateau?
Narmada, Godavari, Kaveri.
Yes, Narmada, Godavari, and Kaveri. Yes. And after that, we studied in this chapter the Narmada, about Narmada River. Narmada River, it flows to which side? Which side it is moving?
North.
It flows to
No.
east or west?
East.
East or west?
East.
Narmada, it is flows through west. Okay, Narmada River flows to the west. That means which sea it is there?
Arabian
Sea?
Sea.
Is it Arabian Sea? No, it's Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal.
Yes. So Narmada River flows to the west side, that is on Bay of Bengal. And what about Godavari and Kaveri? These two rivers flows to the east side, opposite of Narmada. Okay. And which sea it is there? Arabian
Sea.
Okay. So Narmada flows to the west. Godavari and Kaveri flows to the east. Okay. So don't make it mistake. Narmada flows to the west and Godavari and Kaveri flows to the east. Okay. Then you can see in the Central Highlands, Malva Plateau. Isn't it? Malva Plateau. Malva Plateau, where it is located?
Aravalli Hills and
between
Aravalli Hills and
India
Hills. Yes, Malva Plateau. We can see the Malva Plateau is located between Aravalli Hills and India Hills. So I will ask a question like this. Which is the plateau located between Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills?
Malva
Plateau. Malva Plateau located between Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills. And which are the states it is covering? Which all states it is covering? Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. This Malva Plateau, we can see the states. It is covering the Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, that also clear, everyone?
Yes.
And what about the soil in this Malva Plateau? What about the soil?
Black soil.
Black soil. Yes, in the Malva Plateau, we can see black soil. Why? Black soil we can see in the Malva Plateau. And this black soil we can see in one more plateau. What is that? One more plateau we can see the black soil. Deccan Plateaus. Okay, Deccan Plateau also we can see the black soil. And Deccan Plateau is which industry we can do there?
Cotton industry.
Cotton. Because of the black soil. What is the reason?
Black soil.
Because of the black soil, it is suitable to cultivate this cotton. So, this Deccan Plateau also we can see the black soil. Okay, the climate is also in that Deccan Plateau. From where the sound is coming? So, in this Deccan Plateau, we can see it is a very good climate for the cultivation of cotton. Okay, so and the black soil is also there. So, Deccan Plateau, we can see Deccan Plateau and the Malwa Plateau, we can see black soil. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And next point is, what about the animals in this Deccan Plateau?
Elephants,
Tigers, monkeys.
We can see elephants, then monkeys, tigers.
Tigers.
These type of animals we can see in the Peninsular Plateau.
Peninsular Plateau.
Okay, these type of animals we can see in the Peninsular Plateau. Then, what about the climate in the Central Highlands? Central Highlands.
Semi-dry.
Semi-dry. The climate is semi-dry in the Central Highlands. And what about the Deccan Plateau? What about the climate in the Deccan Plateau? Yes, it is very hot. Okay, it is very hot in the Deccan Plateau. The climate is very hot. So all these points is clear to you, everyone?
Yes.
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 Then let me ask you some questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell.
Yes.
Okay, then tell me, Shravan, please tell me what is the shape of a Peninsular Plateau? The shape of
Triangular shape.
triangular shape. Very good. And Naila, can you tell me in this Deccan Plateau which type of soil we can see?
Black
Deccan.
soil.
Black soil. Correct answer. Then Ameya. Ameya, which plateau is suitable for cotton industry? Which plateau? Deccan Plateau. Okay. Deccan Plateau is suitable for cotton industry. And next question, Adiga. Adiga, the river Narmada flows towards dash. Which side? West. Very good. The river Narmada flows to west. Okay, then next question to Siddharth. Godavari. The river Godavari flows towards
East.
east. Correct answer. Then next question to Akshara. Akshara, which is the largest region of India?
The Peninsular Plateau.
Yes, Peninsular Plateau is the largest region of India. Then, yes, Shan. What's your name? That's correct name, no? Shan. Huh? It's not clear. Sound is
Her name is Hannah Roshan.
Hanna. It is written there. That's why I call Hanna. Yes, Hanna. Hanna, which other rivers flows through Central Highlands?
Chambal. Petua. Sun.
Yes, correct answer. Next question to Irene. Which other rivers flows through Deccan Plateau?
Narmada, Godavari, Kaveri.
Yes, correct answer. Very good. Next question to Abhinav Krishnan.
Yes,
Abhinav, yes. We can see waterfalls in the Deccan Plateau, isn't it? Waterfalls we can see. What is the reason? Do you know what is the reason? Huh? The reason is there we can see uneven land. In the Deccan Plateau, we can see uneven land. That is why we can see waterfalls are there. Okay, now we understand the answer, Abhinav?
Yes.
In the Deccan Plateau, we can see uneven lands. So that is why there we can see waterfalls. Many waterfalls are there. Then one more question. The central highland is wider in which side? Which side it is wider? Central highlands. Anybody knows? The central highland is wider in west. Okay. Central highlands wider in the west and narrow in the east. Okay. The central highlands wider in the west side. West side you can see that is a wider part. And in the east side we can see it is very narrow. Okay. That also please understand about central highlands. And the next question. Next question to Alvina. Alvina, where is Malwa Plateau located? Malwa Plateau.
Ma'am, between Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills.
Yes, correct answer. It is very correct answer. Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills. Okay. Next question to Abel Dixon. Are you there? Abel. Abel. Why the video is off? Dairos Johnson. Dairos, please on your camera. Unmute. Yes, Dairos, please tell me in which all states this Malwa Plateau located? Which all states are covering this Malwa Plateau? Dairos. No response. That means you are not there. Huh? Those who students or switch off the video, no, they are not there for attending the class. Very bad. Krishnav Kalesh, are you there? Krishnav. Adinath. Shifna. Why all these videos are off and no response also? Shifna, please tell me the answer. Malwa Plateau, in which all states it's covering? Unmute and tell. No problem, we will study now. Do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. So please, Adhika, please help her. Please tell the answer. In Malwa Plateau.
Central Highland.
Which all states it is covering? Rajasthan and?
Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Okay, Shifna. Malwa Plateau, the state, which are the states is covering this? Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Now be careful, like these type of questions will be there for the exam. That is why we are discussing, and only one chapter is also there. Only one chapter to study. So now itself you can study everything, isn't it? And going very slow. And what about the climate? Climate in the central highway? Central highlands of, yes, it is semi-dry. Central highlands, the climate is semi-dry. And what about the Deccan Plateau?
Hot.
It is very hot also. Okay. So all these things you all understand?
Yes.
Yes. So we will write some questions also in your rough book. So please take your rough book. Okay. And today I will send a link after the class, like yesterday. A revision test will be there. Only 5 questions also. So you all have to attend that. Okay, children. So after the class.
Social science?
Yes.
Okay.
Now?
Not now, after the class. I'll send it in the group. Okay. Yes. Now let me take the board. Then I'll give you some important questions. Please take your rough book.
Now we want to write.
Please write it.
And notebook or
Rough book. Rough book. First question.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we want to write the question.
Yes, question also. Please write.
Thank you.
Dash plateau has black soil.
Deccan Plateau.
Deccan Plateau. Right answer. Which is the largest region of India?
Peninsular Plateau.
Peninsular Plateau. Yes.
Now what is next question?
Third question. River Narmada. River Narmada flows towards dash.
West.
West. River Narmada flows towards dash. River Narmada flows towards west, and Godavari and Kaveri flows towards east. Question number 4. Where is Malva Plateau located?
Between Aravalli Hills.
Hills and India
Between Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills.
Ma'am, write question and answer.
Yes, yes. Between
Ma'am, can you show first question one more time? I want to check one thing.
1 minute. Between Aravalli Hills and Vindhya Hills.
And can you show? Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Am I right?
Mm.
Ma'am, I can
Ma'am, finish.
Board.
Cannot see the board.
Not finished.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am, I can see the
see. Ma'am, we can see.
Maybe the network issue, my dear. You're facing
Ma'am, I
network
can
issue.
see.
That's why.
And this much only.
No, no, no. I'll give you one more question.
Ma'am, only 3 questions.
Both question also there.
I cannot see. Ma'am, can you stop share?
I will share again. Okay. Next question. Dash river divides the Peninsular Plateau into two parts.
Narmada. Narmada River.
Yes.
Narmada River.
Narmada River. Yes, correct answer. Narmada. So the 5 questions are there today.
Finish, ma'am.
And we discussed many other questions also, isn't it? Huh? So the important, all the points we discussed now, and like these questions will be there for the exam also. Okay. So you all have to study well. Now let me take the attendance.
Okay, ma'am. I wrote.
Okay, ma'am.
Adinath C. Adinath. Adinath.
Present, ma'am. Present.
Present. Arav Krishna. Arav Krishna. Asher Benny. Asher Benny. Abhinav Krishnan.
Present, ma'am.
Adhika VS.
Present, ma'am.
Advait C. Binil. Advait. Agna Maria. Agna Maria. Abel Dixon. Abel.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Erin. Erin, yes, present. Alvina Anthony.
Present, ma'am.
Amaya PD.
Ma'am,
Amaya.
ma'am, Irene is present.
Yes, Irene. Amaya PD. Anais Ajay Kumar. Andrea Anoop.
Present, ma'am.
Angeline Roy. Anna Rose.
Present, ma'am.
Anna Grace.
Present,
Anna Grace present. And Leah Rose. And Leah. Ayan K. Saji. Ayan. Bandan.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Dairos also
Present,
present.
ma'am.
Dia. Dia Maria. Gauri Nanda.
Present, ma'am.
Hanna Roshan. Karthikey Nibu. Karthikey. Krishna Kalesh.
Present.
Okay, okay. Laisel Siad.
Present, ma'am.
Muhammad Ayan. Ayan. Naila Samira.
Present, ma'am.
PV Devananda.
Present, ma'am.
Raika Muhammad. Raika. Shabari Karti. Shabari Karti. Shifna Bin, Shravan Shiva.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Siddharth Shankar.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Sri Bhadra. Sri Bhadra. Yashika Vinod. So I will read the absentees' name. You please listen. Today's absentees are Arav Krishna, Asher Benny, Advaid C. Binil, Agna Maria, Ameya PD,
Excuse
Anaisia.
me, ma'am.
Yes,
Maya was there in the beginning.
Ameya.
Yes.
Ameya PD. Okay. Anaisia Ajay Kumar, Angelin Roy, Anlia Rose, Ayan K. Saji, Dia Maria, Kartige Nibu, Muhammad Ayan, Raika Muhammad, Shabari Karti, Sri Bhadra, Yashiga. These are today's absentees. Okay, children. So after the class, please check your class group. I'll send the link. So please attend the exam. Okay. So today, let's wind up the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.